When you want your code to be more readable and more easy to manage, we can use aliases in our TypeScript application. Hi guys, my name is Hemant Panchal. In this session, we will talk about aliases, how you can use and how you can reduce the complexity of your code in a very simple way. Let me show you one example. I can say const student details equal to, I will say student ID. It can be either in number or string. It is specified with a pipe, and I will say first name and it is in string. I can write this as a function, and here I will say console.log student ID student ID, and here first name, here also first name. So this is a simple way of representing student details. Now what if I accept that in an object? I can say student data, here add a function, I'll say name or say student ID, again number and string. Similarly, first name I will store it as a string instead of console here. Sorry, const, here it should be const. Okay, I will print same information here, but instead of student ID, I will say student data dot student ID. Okay, so these are the part of this object name. Now suppose there is a one more student again, so I have one more variable here. Okay, or you can say same type of variables declare again. Now this information is common, okay, everywhere for this and this. So why we should repeat every time this complex code? We can write in a simple way. So what I will do, I will I will declare one type. I will say it is either string or num, and I will declare as a number and string. Okay, because everywhere we are declaring this. So instead of number and string, I can replace that with a simple type string or num here also. This code looks more clear. Okay, if you see, this is very neat and clean way of writing code. Now if you see carefully, these things are also repeating. Okay, I have highlighted here. It is automatically highlighted here also. So now what we can write, type student input type. I will write this way, and I will copy this entire thing here. Okay, this is also usable here. Now what I will do, I will copy this. I will specify here. Actually, I need to replace this with the student input type. Okay. So it is compiled successfully. So this is now more readable. Okay. You can see complexity is drastically reduced in this way. So this is how you can reduce the complexity of your code by defining a fixed data type combination of data types to a single type. Okay, which is using the type keyword. If you have any questions, any doubt, just write in the comment section and give your feedback also. Thank you for watching.